Hi, Life Pro. My name is Annette, and I actually live in Oakland. I wanted to give you a tip that I figured out about the Waverly vibration plate. You know what? I sit and work, and I'm in meetings all day, and I can get super, super tired when I get up, and my legs can be stiff. One of the things that I have found to do is to move that vibration plate over, and when I'm in meetings, I actually put the vibration plate on while I'm sitting down. It helps the circulation with my legs. All you have to do is just sit here. I'm sitting in a chair right now, and I'm going to turn my power mode on to 2, and then I'm going to start. Now my vibration plate is moving right now. It's circulating the blood all in my legs, and it feels really, really good. So that's what you do when you sit all day. I know we can't stand all the time, and in meetings, people can totally see us, but you can definitely sit down, put your feet on the vibration plate. Put your feet on the vibration plate. I'm trying to put it down right now. Put your feet on the vibration plate, and then just let it vibrate away. Vibrate, vibrate, vibrate away. So go ahead, give it a try, okay? You'll love it. I guarantee you.